Hello, all my fairy friends. My name is Fairy Belle, and I'm a book fairy. And today we're reading a story called Ruby's Repair Café. Ruby's family had always fixed things. Their repair cafe was small, old, and the busiest shop in town. Ruby put the pop back in Pete's toaster. She fixed the mess Darcy had made of her dress. When everyone told Brock to throw away his old clock, Ruby got it to talk again. Fixing things was what she did best. One day, a new shop opened next door. The department store was big, bright, and putting the repair cafe out of business. Pete bought a brand new toaster. Brock's new clock beeped instead of chimed, and Darcy bought a swishy new dress. The dump behind the town grew bigger and bigger. It was full of broken bits, old clothes, and random rubbish. The stinky smell wafted on the wind. That night, the wind whipped wildly around the town. It rolled the rubbish, broke the branches from tall trees, and it even blew the roof off Mr. Bigg's department store. Everything inside was damaged. "What am I going to do?" cried Mr. Bigg. "I will have to shut my shop." Ruby knew how much everyone in town loved the department store. She tugged on Mr. Bigg's sleeve, re-sewed his loose button, and smiled. "Why don't we fix it? One by one, piece by piece, bit by bit, they worked together to repair the town until it was even better than before. Especially now that the store had a new department. And that's the end of the story. Do you like fixing things? I think it's very important that we try and fix things before we throw them away, don't you? Do you have a repair cafe near you? There are lots of repair cafes all over the world. Maybe next time something that you love breaks or rips or is broken, you might be able to take it to your repair cafe and get it fixed instead of throwing it away. Thank you very much for listening to my story. And thank you very much for believing in me. And never forget that I believe in you too.